Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are at Heathrow Airport, but we tried to go to the Raisins car park, but it was out of construction, so we couldn't go. But we have to go to the premiere. So we're gonna go now to see the planes, and this is gonna be awesome. AAX, we are just like I just play with my planes and it's really fun. I can't do 3 in a row because I don't have 3 hands, so I can fly the planes. When I fly them, it's like it's amazing when I fly the planes because it's just beautiful because I love the planes. It's my favorite when I just see the planes. We have A380s, 747s, 777s, A320s, A340s, and Boeing 87 Streamliner. And here's one. We got A320 British Airways. I just love. Oh, actually, I'm wrong. Sorry. Some saw the landing gear. So when the plane's really high in the sky, you can see that the planes. You can see that a plane's landing gear comes out. So when you're going to be a pilot when you grow up, I'm going to be a pilot as well when I grow up. It's going to be fun because the planes are just really cool. They are just cool planes. I just love them a lot.
What's your favourite plane, Jack?
My favourite plane is Virgin British Airways because British Airways is Virgin's friend and Virgin is British Airways' friend because they're all friends. I think this is British Airways, but I might be wrong. I know it's an A320, but I just love filming planes. And as you see, guys, there's a secret way. You can film the planes closer if you go into there. And after this plane, when we film this plane, we can go into there. Okay? Oh, it's wrong, not the show. Okay. We're gonna freak you guys. Look at these in the hangar, guys. Make sure you don't fall into there. Make sure you don't slip, because then you hurt yourselves.
Over there, Jack, is the A380 moving. See it over there?
Yeah.
Over there?
Please.
Who's this one, Jack? I think this may be...
LHR.
ATR. Logan Air.
Oh, no, it's not LHR.
Whoa, yeah, it's ATR.
Oh.
Whoa.
Let's
Okay,
go
Jack,
back
let's
now.
go back.
Guys, that's an ATR. If you don't know an ATR, it's like a hovercraft plane.
Propeller, isn't it?
Yeah.
Turboprop.
It's like a propeller on a ship.
Turboprop.
So
Who's it, Jack?
American Airlines.
American.
Sunset.
Wow, he was loud, wasn't he?
Yeah. So if we have an A380, as you see in my other channels, I got an A380. It's really fun. There's an A380 coming, and if you an A380 in my other channel, it's really loud. A380s. As you can see in my other channels, there's an Airbus Beluga, and the Airbus Beluga was fantastic. You can subscribe and like the video. Please like the video, guys, because I think we want to have a golden play button, and we want to go to 10 mil at the end of the year. So we're trying to, yeah, and subscribe if you love this channel. Like the video because it's really gonna be good. And this plane's taking a while, isn't it? So we can talk for a while because the pilot's a bit slow for driving the plane. It's a bit slow.
Oh, Jack, I think he's about to take off.
Oh no!
I think he's about to take off.
Oh no, guys! What's he gonna do?
He's about to take off, Jack.
The passengers are not gonna be happy on that plane, aren't they? Yeah, they're not.
We've got to go around.
Look, Mum, it's gonna go round. It's gonna go round. Whoa. So guys, sorry, we can talk ages now because look, there he is. He's over there. I don't know the passengers do that. I think the passengers are like, why is this flight taking too long? So they're like, if I think why the passengers are like, I 10,000 on that plane. Do you know Jerry? He said when Aer Lingus comes, he's on the field, Jerry, and he said, I'm not going to be on that left side of the plane. And do you know Jerry? He was like on the field. Jerry said, Logan Air came in and he said, easy son. Then the plane landed. Then he said, I do not want to be on the left side of that plane. The left hand side of that plane.
Who's coming now, Jack?
Who's coming? And basically, the plane is
British Airways.
It's cool planes. These planes are fantastic. These planes are really good. But if you don't want this airport, I have more airport videos. And if you're thinking I want Manchester Airport, you can go to my type in Aviation. Then you can see there's Southampton, there's Manchester, there's Airbus Beluga, there's loads. You can see the planes and A320 So this is fantastic. So basically, I usually love planes. But there's the Premium. So if you're gonna sleep at night time, can you hear that? Gets louder.
Who's coming, Jack?
Oh, no, British Airways, A320. I'll leave you to it, guys. Guys, at night time, the if you want to film the planes at night time, you can, but it's gonna be long. I don't know how long the planes be. I don't know how much planes land at night time. Only a few, I think.
So at least Heathrow closes at 12 o'clock in the night. 12 o'clock midnight.
Yeah.
And it opens again then at 6 a.m. in the morning.
Yeah, and it is really cool because it is really nice because I just love planes. I just want to.
What's your favourite thing about planes, Jack?
I just love finding them. It's just the one thing part is it's a bit squeaky landing.
That's a squeaky one.
If you're flying a plane in your cockpit, and if you're flying a plane, you can see the Premium, but the Premium is a bit glitched because you can't see it. It's a bit glitched when you fly the plane in the Premium. When you land the plane, it's really cool because I just love. Guys, I don't know when A380 is coming. I hope it's not long because I want the plane to come. Guys, I just want an A380 to come, guys. I just really want to film an A380.
You got another British Airways, Jack?
Oh, really good.
Coming, Jack. Who's this one?
British Airways A320. I wish they had an A3.
Yeah, maybe.
I wish they had a plane. I wish they had an A3. I wish they had Emirates A320. That would be real cool.
Yeah.
And I wish they had a Virgin A380. That would be real cool.
Yeah, Virgin haven't got A380s, have they?
No. Because they think that would be really bad. And that would look really horrible. The Virgin plane.
What's the biggest plane that Virgin run then?
737.
A350.
I
Yeah. Airbus A350,
It's really
isn't
cool
it?
because I just love these planes. I love them. Guys, I think we're going to go in the bush again. Let's just wait for this plane. You can follow me on TikTok and you can see us on TikTok as well. We do a lot of filming, but we want to get lots of videos and things. It is amazing, guys. I just want an A380. Guys, why do you think? Why is there lots of A320s landing?
Ooh, is this Jack?
Turkish Airlines.
Whoa, Turkish.
Gee, wow.
Jack? Who is that? There's cans there.
Bye bye guys. We see you now. We end it now, so sorry guys.